2025 has been a turbulent year for aviation headlines. Delta's Toronto crash, a U.S. Army helicopter collision, and now, Americans everywhere are Googling, is it safe to fly? Let's break it down. Air crashes, though tragic, are extremely rare. According to the FAA and IATA, the accident rate remains historically low, but visibility of incidents in media makes the fear feel bigger. Who's affected? Individuals, growing travel anxiety. Businesses, reassessing travel budgets and risk policies. Nonprofits, adjusting fieldwork and aid mission plans. Governments, reassessing transport safety and emergency protocols. Individuals, stick with major carriers that have strong safety records. Consider travel insurance. Understand risk is still minimal. Businesses, revisit employee travel policies. Consider virtual alternatives where feasible. Engage with aviation partners on risk mitigation. Nonprofits, review travel safety for field staff. Build contingency plans for travel delays. Governments, strengthen air disaster response plans. Work with federal aviation authorities to ensure local readiness. In times of anxiety, the key is to stick to facts, not fear. Monitor official aviation safety data. Keep communication open with staff, customers, communities. Prepare, but don't panic. Is it safe to fly? The short answer is, statistically, yes. But smart planning can make it safer. Subscribe for more trusted insights, and share your thoughts in the comments. Book a strategy session for travel continuity planning. https://simplifiedsolutionsystems.com/book-now